Hey ma'am, I'm not even gonna hold you. Let's just jump into it. First things first, you wanna grab your face primer. And today I'm using One Size Secure the Blur. This is Yummy Skin by Danessa Myricks, the blurring balm powder for face and eyes. So when I originally went to Sephora, I wasn't going to get the Yummy Skin by Danessa Myricks because I was looking for the Secure the Sweat by One Size. But for whatever reason, they didn't have it in stock, so I only got the Secure the Blur by One Size. And one of the girls who works there overheard me, talking about what I was looking for, and she recommended the Yummy Skin by Danessa Myricks, and I got the one in the universal color. She has other colors for other skin tones, but we'll see. I applied it in my T-zone because that is the area where I get really oily. So I am excited to see how this works. I am using the Makiage foundation in Woke Up Like This, number 175. I'm applying my foundation with a flat foundation brush, and then I'm going to go in with a damp sponge to press that into my skin so that it doesn't look blotchy. You already know I'm going to go in with my favorite eye primer by MAC. It's a 24-hour extended eye base, and I'm going to go in with Makiage's foundation in number 13. Going to apply it under my eye, down the bridge of my nose, lift the outer corner of my eyes. Gonna put some on my chin and then on my forehead. For my contour, I'm gonna go in with Fenty's Matchsticks Espresso on my nose and Ebony on my forehead and chubby cheeks. Taking the Sheen Dupe brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the concealer underneath my eye. Taking that same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my nose. Using this fluffy Sheen Dupe, I'm blending out the contour on my forehead and cheeks. To set this foundation, I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter in Honey. I'm taking some of my foundation and I'm applying it as a base onto my eyelids because I don't want to have too much going on since I'm doing a really bold lip. I'm adding some dimension with my contour stick in Espresso and I'm blending that out with a fluffy, dense brush. Now I'm going to take Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Pressed Powder Foundation in 360 and set my eyelids. Using a big fluffy foundation brush, I'm going to put that all over my face. Now I'm going to add some bronzer, and that is Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker and Cocoa Naughty. My blush is Maybelline Fit Me Berry Baie. My highlighter is Wet n Wild's Mega Glow in Precious Petals. Now I'm going to use Wet n Wild's Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. That was a mouthful. For the bottom lash, I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's Kohl Crayon in Baby's Got Black. I wonder if that's copyright infringement. Using a small brush, I'm going to smudge that out to soften it up. Before putting on any mascara, I'm going to spray my face with some finishing spray by Skindinavia. The mascara I'm using is Neutrogena's Healthy Lengths in Black. I'm going to go in with my Make It Fit a Message lashes in Tabitha. The link on how to do this is down in the description box. What you want to do is put the glue on your lash line, put the glue on the lash strip itself, wait till it gets a little tacky, look down into a mirror, and then slowly bring it into the base of your lash line. I'm going to line my lip with the Crayon Case's colored pencil in Bribery and fill it in with the Crayon Case's Rule Breaker in Short. Thank you so much for watching. I love you to life, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.